So let's get started and let's see how we can do it. So Windows 10 used to have this option or app which was called Connect, which was available on the Windows 10 taskbar. So when you click on the Windows 10 taskbar here, it used to be available, right? But in the Windows 11, this Connect app is not available by default, but you can install this Connect app using optional features. So first of all, we need to install the Connect app, which is from Microsoft only, but we need to install it. So I'm going to show you how you can install it, and then I'm going to show you how you can use this Connect app to just mirror or cast your Android screen on your Windows operating system. So you might have observed that when you search for the Connect app using this search option, and when I just search for Connect app, I don't see any Connect app here, right? It used to be present in the Windows 10 operating system, but in Windows 11 operating system, it's not present. So let me show you how to fix that. So for that, you need to open the Settings app. You can open the Settings app by just clicking on your Windows Start icon and then clicking on the Settings. Or when you click on Search option, you can search for Settings from here also and then click on Settings app. So once the Settings app window opens, click on Apps here and then click on Optional Features. On the Optional Features window, click on View Features, and in the View Features you will be able to see all these features. What you need here is the wireless display feature. Okay, so search for wireless display, and once this result appears, you just need to check this checkbox, which is around 2.49 megabyte at the time of making this video, and then click on Next and then click on Install, which is going to install this wireless display app on your Windows 11 operating system. So once this app is installed, you will be able to see that this app is installed, and you will be able to see this app in the installed section also. So here you can see installed features, and you will be able to see this app in the installed section also. So once you see this app in the installed section, you can close the settings window and once again try to search for Connect app. So I'm going to just search for Connect app here, and this time you will be able to see this Connect app, right? So you can click on this arrow here and you can see this Connect app is now available. So I can click on open, or I can directly click on the Connect app here. Okay, so once you click on the Connect app, you can see my Connect app is now open. So once you have this Connect app, what you need to do now is, once again, you need to click on the search option and then search for projection settings. Okay, so search for projection settings, and in here you just need to click on projection settings option, which is going to open this window. Here you need to choose few options, right? So under this projecting to this PC, you need to select all these options here. So the first option is some Windows and Android devices can project to this PC when you allow them to. I have set it to available everywhere. You can set it to available everywhere on secure network also, but I have just chosen available everywhere. And the next option is ask to project to this PC. I have selected every time a connection is required, and then the pin I have set to never. You can also set it to first time or always, right? So these are my settings, and when you just select always off here, you can see this option is disabled. So, and your PC name will be displayed here. This PC name will be displayed on the device you want to connect, right? So now once these settings are done on your PC, and you can see your device name will be displayed here, you need to go to your Android device. So different devices have different options which you can choose to mirror or cast your Android screen on this Connect app. So let me show you two devices. So on your Windows screen, when you go to the settings, you will see a cast option here, or mirror share option here, or share option. Different Android devices have different name for the casting or mirroring. So what you need to do is just click on the cast option or the mirror option, whatever option you see on your Android device. On my Android device, I see mirror share option. So I'm going to just select the mirror share option here. So just click on the mirror share, and then you will be able to see all the devices on which you can cast. Now I have this second device on which I need to go to the settings app here. So let me open the settings app, and on my other device, this option is available under more. And when I click on wireless display here, I can see my device name, which is desktop PHSE 658, right? This one. So on my other device, this option is available here. So as I said, different devices have different options, right? So whatever device you have, you just need to find out what this option is called. And once you know what is the name of this option on your device, you can always go to that device, and then on your Android phone, search for this device, which is displayed here. So this name will be displayed on your Android device. So just select the name. In my case, this name is desktop PHSE 658 on my Android device. So I will choose that, and as soon as I do that, you can see my Android screen is displayed on my Windows 11 operating system, right? So this is how you can cast your Android screen on your Windows 11 operating system. Now let me mention this once again. This doesn't require connecting via USB cable or any other cable, right? So this we have done wirelessly. The one requirement is you need to be on the same network. So both the devices, your Windows 11 operating system and your phone, should be on the same wireless network, and then this is going to work. So now to disconnect this device, I just need to go to the settings here, and then you can see I can either forget this device, or when I just press on this connected device, I can see the disconnect option here also. So when I press on the disconnect, my device will be disconnected from this Connect app on my Windows 11 operating system. So let me show you once again. When I press on disconnect, you can see my device is no longer connected to my Connect app on Windows 11. And let me connect once again, and you can see once again my Android screen is mirrored on my Windows 11 operating system using this Connect app wirelessly, right? Without any software.